Hi guys, back with another video. I have come up with few fantastic courses, all for free. But before that, I just wanted to remind you to please subscribe to my channel and like this content and share with your friends so that they can get benefit from these courses as well. So let's jump into the video really quick. I just wanted to remind you that this course links will be in the description below. Please go check them out and avail this offer before the links gets expired, and please finish these courses as soon as possible because it will add a great benefit to your skill set and your profile as well. I require your support guys to grow my channel because I will be constantly giving you the best content. The benefit you get it from uh, doing these courses from here is like you will be certified, right? You get a course completion certification wherein you can have this and you can uh, tag it to your profile at LinkedIn or any kind of job portal so that you can grab attention from the job seekers as well, and the employers as well, because every now and then the technology changes, and you should be well versed with the field where you are currently working in. Aim of doing this videos is like to upgrade your skill set and help you to grow in your career path. The forex trading online strategies is one of the hot selling courses out there. So please enroll to this course, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That's it guys, see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.